wow. Just wow. Oh my gosh. I don't think, no, I know this has never happened before. In all the boxes that I have unboxed, in all the subscription boxes that I have dealt with, this has never happened before. And then for it to happen on top of the monstrosity of a box that this box is, you guys, I'm gonna have to call Allure. Like, this is just, it's unacceptable. Yeah, so I don't even know where to begin with today's video, you guys. I'm speechless, which I know it's unheard of, but it happened. Holy cow. I cannot believe this happened. So I'm sitting here getting ready, working on a video for you guys, and I'm really excited because it's a video that I've been working on for a really long time. And I mean, a lot has went into testing these products for this video. And so I'm really pumped because I'm going to finally get this finished. And what should arrive but this right here. Now, you guys know how much I adore Allure Beauty Box. I love them. I've loved them ever since last year. I've talked to you guys about them a million times. And I was really excited for this month's box because this month was the price increase. And I know a lot of you guys commented in last month's video that you had already saw the sneak peeks for this box and you were really not impressed. And that kind of intrigued me a little bit. I'm not going to lie, that piqued my curiosity. Not enough to look at the sneak peeks because I wanted to wait until I actually got the box and I wanted to try the products on for myself and see really, you know, what my opinion would be. However, I got the box today and I opened it up and I pulled out this product right here. And this is never, in all the boxes that I have unboxed, this has never happened before. So first off, if you can't notice and see, the tube looks like clearly it's been squeezed right from the middle, which let me just add that that is like a pet peeve of mine. It's like squeezing the toothpaste tube from the middle. I can't stand it. Like, is anybody else like that? Because that just drives me bonkers. But then, if you all have ever used or gotten a Dr. Jart product before, you know that in the cap, there's like a little like stopper plug thingy in there, and it prevents the product from like spilling out inside the cap. So if the product's never been used before, there should be no reason that there's product inside the cap or on the top of the tube. You know what I'm saying? But there's product in the cap and on the top of the tube, which clearly says, and it's not sealed. I don't know if it was supposed to be sealed, but that clearly says to me that this product has been used, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little grossed out by. I'm a little grossed out and I'm really pissed off. And I called Allure. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I hate calling customer service. Let me just start with that. I hate calling customer service. If you work in customer service, God bless you, because I could not do it. I hate calling customer service because I know people call and they take out their frustrations on whoever answers the line or whoever's on the other end of that computer, and they take out all their aggressions and what they're mad about on that person, and that person really didn't do anything. They're just kind of guilty by association. You know what I'm saying? So I really don't like calling customer service. However, between how bad this box was and this right here, I had to call customer service. Now, let me just say that I was very respectful. I was very nice, but I also made it very clear that this entire thing was unacceptable, because on top of that, let's just set this aside and say that that didn't happen. This thing right here, this is not worth $23. Not today, not tomorrow, not any day. If anybody would have received this in BoxyCharm, Ipsy, any other box, they would have had a field day with this. So let me show you real quick what we got. So for $23, first off, we got the Dr. Jart what is that? Ceramidin cream. Hopefully yours was unused. Mine was obviously used. We got the Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner, which obviously this is a sample size. Then we got the Wilma Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. And normally, I know with eye pads, you all I'm sure know as well, come in several packs in a pack. So this is just one single pack. Not really gonna do a lot, just using it once. So I don't know, I feel like that's kind of a waste to even put in there. Then we have the Laroche Posay Lipikar Balm Intense Moisturizing Cream. And this is obviously also a sample size because as it shows here on the side of the box, the full size is in a nice pump bottle. So sample size. So we got sample, sample, sample. Then we have another sample of the Sigma liquid lipstick in the color Venom. Now, this kind of upset me because first off, you guys know how I feel about reds anyways, and I love Sigma. You all know that I absolutely love Sigma products, but this particular product has been out for a really, really long time. I mean, this is one of their oldest color lipsticks. Like, I would have really loved it if they put like one of the infinity points or something like that in there. And then red to me doesn't really scream like a fall box, you know, like an October box. This more is like December, holiday, you know, like if you're gonna do a red, wait for the holidays, you know what I'm saying? All right, and then the next product is one of the 3 full-size products, and it is the Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Now, I've never heard of this company before. I love retinol. I love eye serums. I have not tried this yet. I am going to give it a go, or maybe I'll have Steve give it a go, maybe? Use him as a guinea pig, right? All right, and then the next product we have in here is the Static Nails Nail Polish in Irene. Now, I did test this out. This is a very, very pretty color. I love the fall, you know, it's like a fall nudie with like a little bit of a pinky purple undertone to it. However, it smells really strongly of nail polish, very strongly. Now, supposedly this is toxic free, but it's like, this is like the strong smelling nail polish, you know what I'm saying? So just forewarning there if you're not a fan of that scent. All right, and then the last product is the new company Topical C, and this was kind of interesting because it was a powder. I will say that this is probably this and the nail polish, I would say, is probably the 2 products that I was most excited for, but yeah, it's a powder. I guess it's like a Topical C powder. It says 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer serum or mixed with water applied to clean skin daily. So interesting, new, definitely. And this is what I like. Like, I want to try something new and different. I also, though, want brands that I know and love, and I want to try their new and different stuff, not their old stuff that's been around forever and this has probably been sitting on a shelf for God knows how long. And then like the nail polish I really like, but also Allure just did their Best of Beauty 2020 awards. Why not put one of the winners in the box? You know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like this could have been done so much better. All right, so let me tell you what happened after I called Allure. So as I said, I called them. I had to call them. I'm sorry, I just had to. I don't like doing that, but I did call them. Now, I will say, and as I said earlier, I was super, super nice, very respectful, because it's not that lady's fault that this happened. She's not the one that did it to me. But she did let me know that they were very sorry, that this is not even something that she's ever heard of happening. And that's what I told her. I'm like, look, obviously you can tell by my record, I don't ever call. I never do call. I mean, I never call I hate calling customer service, but I had to call about that. That was just, I got no words, you guys. And so basically they are sending me a replacement product. They're sending me a couple extra products, and they're giving me a very big discount on my next couple boxes, because I'm going to be honest, you guys, I told her I wanted to cancel. Like, I was done. I'm absolutely done. So they gave me my next 2 boxes at a very, very discounted rate, which is the only reason I agreed. So we're going to see what happens in November and December. And if this does not change, yeah, we're they're gone. Like, I cannot, I'm sorry, but like, I love Allure. You guys know that have been here. I love them so, so much. And I kind of hold them to a higher standard because they're Allure Beauty, you know? I'm sorry. I'm not going to hold them to the same standard that I'm going to hold the box or another indie brand box. You know what I mean? Like Allure, BoxyCharm, Ipsy, I feel like they have access to bigger and better brands than a lot of these indie brand boxes do, especially Allure. Like they have access to brands that not even BoxyCharm can get their hands on. So I really definitely expect them to step it up. Now I will say the lady did tell me a couple of sneak peeks for November. I'm not gonna tell you, I'm not gonna share what it is because she made me a promise, but supposedly they are supposed to be really good. And I think a few sneak peeks or the whole box is actually already out. If you guys want to check it out, I'll find the link for it and put it down below in the description box. But yeah, they better do something. I don't want to look at the sneak peeks though. I don't want to know. So don't comment because I don't want to read it. I don't want to know. I like to wait and get my boxes and actually see what's going on, you know, before I make my decision. But this box was just, it was a dud in more than a few ways. And I cannot believe that I had a used product, you guys. I'm shocked. So I kept it to show you all. And now, actually, I'm gonna just go ahead and, yay, I scored. All right, so we're just gonna toss that right now because, yeah. As I said, they're sending me a replacement. That's it, you guys. That's all I got for you today. This is just hot mess. Hot mess. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope I didn't bring you down too much. I hate doing videos sometimes like this, but just like anything else, I gotta be honest. I gotta keep it real with you guys. If a box is bad, no matter how much I love them, I'm gonna tell you. And this is just a really bad, perfectly good example of that. So I hope you all enjoy the rest of your weekend. And don't forget, if you have not entered in our giveaway, tonight is the last night to enter. So I will put that video right here for you. And then I also have another little bit bigger giveaway with the same palette on my Instagram page. Again, that ends tonight. So if you're not following me on Instagram, hop on over there and do it. I will link all of the information down below. Until next time, see ya.